On this episode, I'll show you how to create these elegant contemporary earrings, featuring a clay pattern inspired by Jessama Tutorials. Your choice of colors is encouraged. To begin, you'll need 4 colors of clay. I'm using white, yellow, blue, and black. Cut each color into small pieces. Toss them together and compress into a single log. Cut the log into small pieces and cut up another similar sized piece of blue clay. Compress all into a single log. Roll out a thin sheet of black clay and wrap around the log. Roll to adhere. Cut log into 1/4-inch slices. Arrange slices, pressing them together to form a sheet. Run sheet through your clay machine until size 3 is achieved. Using 1-inch circle clay cutter, cut out circles. Bake clay for 30 minutes at 270 degrees. Drill 2 holes in 4 of the circles and 1 hole in 2 circles. Lightly sand each circle, removing any rough edges. Coat the front of each circle with 2 coats of Duraclear gloss varnish and the backs with 1 coat. Assemble earrings using gold-plated split rings and earring hoops. For this and more fun projects and project supplies, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.